Good morning. I'm Harry Donahue with Friends of Philadelphia Trolleys. We're out here today at the Pennsylvania Trolley Museum, and we'd like to give you an update on car 8042. Over the years, FPT has given grants of over $20,000 to restore this car. And we'd like to show you the new poplar roofing that has been installed. After this step, the new canvas will be stretched onto the roof. Also, one of the volunteers, John, is working on the control system down in the front cab of the car. And when we come downstairs, we're going to show you the new, completely rebuilt rear platform. Downstairs now in the shop with 8042. Some of you might know that in 1940-41, when this car was overhauled by PTC, they put battery lights, battery-powered rear lights in for use in the subway. If the car lost its pole in the subway, the two battery lights would stay on to warn the car behind him. They couldn't find exactly how that system worked, so Fred is going to explain a new system that they've designed here for 8042 to keep its battery lights running.
Yes, what we have here is a module that takes 600 volts DC input. It in turn changes it to 12 volts. And the 12 volts goes on to what we call a UPS system. And the UPS system is always on. So when you lose the power, trolley power, it automatically goes to battery and keeps the marker lights on. We think that the marker lights will stay on for at least 2 hours. Also, it runs the buzzer system, which we're going to put a 12-volt buzzer in instead of the 600-volt buzzer in there. So it does two things. So that's what we changed it instead of the system that they had in there, which nobody knows what it was. But
And where will this be mounted, Fred?
in the rear,
In the rear.
In the rear where the other one
Okay.
was. Be mounted in the rear where the other one was.
Back here on the ground with 8042. The front platform is under construction. It's all been repainted. They're working on the air system, and new center doors have been built and painted. Now the center doors on these cars slid into sleeves in the side of the body. They didn't fold out. Back here at the rear, this entire new platform has been constructed. The old wood was in bad shape, and as you can see, all new construction just waiting for the steel skins to be put on. We want to thank anybody that's donated to this car over the years. Thanks to your generosity, FPT has been able to donate over $20,000 for this car, including the first thing we bought was the new canvas for the roof. So the canvas is here on site. Thank you.